Hello everyone, welcome back. Gonna plan my classic happy planner for the week of October 19th through the 25th. And I did my random deco idea, and I got to use a colored background and to change the layout. So I thought I would do the same layout that I did that week that I didn't make a video for it. So you guys will get to see what it looks like. So for that, I'm going to use these vertical pages, just pieces of them. And some scrapbook paper. I got this for like $3 at Michael's when they had a sale. I don't remember when it was now, but actually what I'm going to do is glue it down first and then cut around it, because I have to use both sheets of paper anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. Line up the corners. And then the other corner. Now, for some reason, I think that might be easier to cut. I could be wrong, but... Oops. Cut a little piece of the planner off. Okay, and now I'm going to cut this piece. I'm going to cut just this top layer off. And I think I want to cut right on the other side of this line. We'll see. I might leave it like that, I might not. So let's see. I want to do holes in this before I start doing all that. Okay. So like that. Yeah, so this is just like an extra planner I have because it's $3. And I thought I might use it for stuff like this. Okay, and then just basically adding in some boxes or stuff like that for my other things that I have. So I might use this for my workouts. And then I saved like these boxes. I might use some of them. The notes might be cute over here. So we'll cut that piece out. And I want it on this side because that one has a little piece of the like hanging plant thing. So I want to like balance it out on this side as well. So I need workouts, which let me go ahead and get the fitness planner. If you watch my video, you know what's coming because, oh, I forgot it had colorful ones. I'm still gonna go with the black ones because that's what I want. That's like the main use of that sticker book for me. And then I need a meal plan, to-do list, and like a habit tracker. I wonder if this would look too weird as a habit tracker. We can try it. So I'm gonna write in it before I glue this one down. Because like I said, it might look weird. Bible study, workout, lunch, dishes, dinner, dishes, clean, laundry, Instagram, and vitamins. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not bad. Okay. And we'll put that one down here, I guess, since that's where it fits. So it's still very much like a dashboard layout, like it has all the same components, but just like vertical instead of like like half and half. Like the days are split up here and not just all the days and all the like to-do stuff. So is this going to be my menu or my to-do list? And then I need my menu, which I guess I just decided that was my to-do list. So I need a menu and I also need bills this week. So I need 2 more things, which that could be bills if we wanted to, but it's really long, so we'll make it the to-do list. And actually, let's see. If you have any of these that kind of match. Is that like one big sticker? Whoa. Sorry, this one was like scratching every time I open the book, so I took it off. Just seeing these is what I was thinking about, and I was just thinking about using those. Let's see. We have these boxes left. Do I want just one box? If we did like that, maybe. Let's do that. I think I want to cut off one of these lines. Maybe do something like, that's not gonna fit there, right? So that. How? Yeah, I'm still gonna do it. It looks a little bit weird, but I'm still gonna do it. Just make this one the, no, let's just put it to the side so we can put it together at once. Oh, he's down. That's what we have, and I do kind of still want to use those stickers, so I'm going to use one lunch one and one dinner one. Just have it as like a list. I might just add some bullet points, which are just little dots, and then bills to pay. We also have planner basics, and they just have these bill stickers. This theme was originally meant to be like a Halloween theme. It's not really turning out like that at all, but it still looks cute, so I'm wondering if we should just go ahead and do this purple. So I need 4. Oh, I do want to use little asterisk things. This page. I think I'll use black to tie in the other ones, but try and do an activity for each of my children each weekday. And on Monday, I know I have something going on. So, and if something else comes up, I'll just go back in here and get this sticker book and add it. Sometimes I just write it in without a little asterisk. Okay, so that is my spread. So I don't know where I got this scrapbook paper. It came out of this plan. No, it didn't come out of this planner. It was a planner that looked like this. And it was just a vertical planner. I used, so I just cut that into like boxes all over my page, and I need something for Sunday. No, it's not this Sunday. Okay. And so I used planner basics for the pay the bills and the little asterisks, and I used the fitness sticker book for the lunch and dinner and the workout sticker. So that's all I have. We can put it back in the planner. So you can see what it looks like on the discs. Yeah, so like I said, I was kind of making like all of October kind of a Halloween theme. This was the other one I did. But well, the first week was not. First one was my husband's birthday, so. And then last week was Halloween. This week was supposed to be Halloween. It's not really very Halloween-y, but at least we can try again on actual Halloween next week. That's all I have. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, comment them down below. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to notify you when I put up new videos. Thanks. Bye.